Yo, hello everyone. So this is I'm in a not Denver. I'm in a Billings International Airport, and I'm flying to Denver today because me and Sydney and her family are going to spend winter and Thanksgiving and Christmas all together. So should wear masks. I mean, airport. So the next stop is Denver. Coming to the place where I came from like a year and 3 or 4 months ago. Okay, I'm back. So I'm in Denver now. So I'm back to the airport where I came from. Like first time, my first airport in the United States was like a year and 3 months ago. So I'm back, nostalgia. I mean, I think I have never been in this part of the airport, but yeah, I'm back to Denver. Next stop is Riverton. Let's look at the Denver. My plane was delayed. Now I should go to the gate A77. Something happened with the previous plane, so I'm departing a little bit later, like at 4 p.m. Yeah, so something happened with door in the airplane, so I should sit here for another hour or two, but I ate lunch dash dinner, so I'm fine now, but now I should wait, and I will be in Riverton after 3 when I was supposed to be there at 3:50 or something. Now I'm gonna be there at 5 something. And trying to vlog, and it's super weird. I feel weird, but I'm pushing through. Just keep going. I don't care what others think or if they look at me, but I tend to speak quiet. So I read a book which calls Hook Point. I don't know if you ever heard about it, maybe not. The author is Brandon Kane, and I really like this book because this is about how to stand out in a 3-second world. The book is mostly for marketers. I guess that's why I like it, because I already read his first book, which calls 1 million followers in 30 days. And Brandon Kane wrote another one, Hook Point, where he talks about how to get attention of a people. So far so good. I like it. I just started reading it. Yeah, I'm waiting for a lot of insights from this book and learn a lot to stand out in a world where we get a lot of messages and content around. It will help like in my personal brand growth and in my future career, I'm sure. So yeah, I don't know. I recommend. It's not sponsored or something, just personal recommendation for this book who is interested in social media, catching people's attention, marketing, and all that stuff. This is my plane that I'm going to catch to Riverton. Okay, boarding time is... It's a boarding time. Hell yeah, the plane came. Okay, I got to the destination, landed successfully. Woohoo! I'm in Riverton. Okay, wait, I'm out of focus. I'm in Riverton. Woohoo! Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.